In this tutorial, I'm demonstrating my 180 layer technique, a rotational layering method that adds seamless movement into a blunt bob. I'm working with a 5-inch Mizutani scissor and a small cutting comb. I begin on the side of the head, taking a horizontal section across the parietal ridge. The entire section is elevated straight up to 90 degrees, distributing all the weight from below the ridge upward. I twist the section away from the face before point cutting to create internal softness throughout the side and temple area. I repeat this process through the top zone, over directing the hair from the parietal ridge up to the parting. Using the fringe as my shortest guide, I twist the section away from the face 180 degrees and point cut, connecting the top and front zones for a natural balanced fall. If you haven't already seen the blunt bob haircut tutorial, watch that next. You'll find the link below or the card above. On the opposite side, the same motion mirrors the flow of the layers for symmetry. This technique is perfect for clients who love the precision of a blunt bob but want it to feel lighter and more effortless through the crown and sides. It's ideal for medium to thick hair that tends to build up weight quickly or lose movement once it dries. The 180 layer technique creates internal lift without exposing visible layers, so it still reads clean and polished even on straight to fine textures. It's a fast way to modernize a classic bob, keeping the outline sharp while giving it natural volume and flow. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. In the nape zone, I stand in front of my client, elevate the section horizontally to 90 degrees and direct it back towards the wall. Twisting the section 180 degrees before cutting removes internal weight while keeping the perimeter strong and compact. Finally, in the crown, I work with pivoting sections, rotating each vertically through 180 degrees, following the guide from the top zone. This builds a light internal graduation and allows the crown to move naturally in every direction. What I love about this haircut and this technique is the balance between control and freedom. The 180 twist layer technique creates diffused, seamless, almost invisible layers that remove weight while maintaining a perfectly precise outline. It's fast, effective, and incredibly versatile. You can use it to blend crowns, add mass texture in short haircuts, or take it to the extreme for dramatic movement. What stands out most is the effortless blending it achieves while still feeling structured and polished. Take your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. The result is a blunt bob with effortless internal texture, soft movement, lightness through the crown, and a perfectly balanced silhouette. Want to master modern lived-in waves? Join my channel members for the full step-by-step tutorial, or keep watching this next video to level up your technique.